Hello dear students, in this class we are going to learn today a topic chromosomal disorder. Students, in previous classes you have learned already about Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder different from the chromosomal disorder. You can say I already discussed about the differences between the chromosomal as well as Mendelian disorder. In Mendelian disorder, the mutations occur, mutations found only in the gene, but in chromosomal disorder, here the whole set of chromosome, either a single set of chromosome, deletion or addition takes place, and this is the different from the Mendelian disorder. In chromosomal disorder, we have discussed about the Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and even polyploidies of different polyploidy, monoploidy in different plants. How we can classify chromosomal disorder in different categories. Now let us talk about the chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder means adding a single set or a whole set of chromosome inside the human bodies. You can say in organism body is considered under the chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder is further classified into the two categories. First is aneuploidy and second is a polyploidy. You can say euploidy, not polyploidy, you can say euploidy. The aneuploidy and euploidy is differ from each other. If you are talking about the aneuploidy, in this case, in whole set of chromosome, like in human being 23 pair of chromosome are found, and in which single pair, first pair of the chromosome, either one chromosome is deleted or both chromosome is deleted or one or two chromosome is added in this is considered under the aneuploidy. But in euploidy, here the complete set, in a whole set, the aberration occur in whole set. If suppose a pea plant having 7 pair of chromosome and one pair is again added, it means that it is a 3n in nature. You can say 7, 7 and 7. It means in chromosome present inside the pea plant is 21 in triploid case. In diploid case it is in 14. In haploid case it is of 7. This condition is found inside the euploidy. The aneuploidy is further. How can you define aneuploidy? If addition or deletion of chromosome occur in single if addition or deletion occur in single chromosome, it is considered in single chromosome but not in whole set, this is called aneuploidy. But in addition, here the deletion addition occur in whole set. Deletion or addition occur in whole set. It is further classified into the various categories. The aneuploidy is further classified in two categories. You can say not in two categories. It is further classified in many categories. Let us understand by examples. It is a monosomy. Second is a nullisomy, trisomy, and tetra. You can say trisomy or double trisomy. You can say tetrasomy condition. Here in monosomy, the condition observed as 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 is considered under the monosomy. The best examples given in NCERT is a Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is an example of monosomy, in which the one X chromosome gets deleted, and the genetic constitution in Turner syndrome is considered as 44 autosome plus XO. One X chromosome is deleted in case of Turner syndrome. But in nullisomy, suppose an organism having 23 pair chromosome, out of which one pair chromosome is deleted. It is represented by 2n minus 2. It means if a human being having 23 chromosome, it only have 22 chromosome in case of nullisomy. Means whole set of chromosome gets deleted in nullisomy. In trisomy case, here adding of one chromosome. Here addition and deletion. Definition says addition and deletion of a single chromosome takes place in the body. In trisomy, 2n plus 1 condition is observed, and in best example of trisomy in 12 NCERT book is given as Down syndrome as well as another is a Klinefelter syndrome. This all about this all syndrome, Down, Klinefelter. This is a name who discovered this syndrome. On this basis, the name is given. Down, L. Down is given this type of syndrome. Klinefelter was given the Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner was given Turner syndrome. Students, the tetrasomy indicates the 2n plus 2. Let us understand by a single graph. Suppose in aneuploidy, suppose organism having 4 set of chromosome. Not changes occur in all set, only one chromosome is deleted, or one additional chromosome is added, 2 additional chromosome is added, a whole set is deleted. This type of situation observed in case of aneuploidy. But in euploidy, the condition is entirely different. Here, suppose organism having 4 set of chromosome. Here, if deletion and addition occur in not only in a single chromosome, but it occur in whole set. Suppose organism lost their chromosomal set, whole haploid set. This is considered under the euploidy. Euploidy is considered, it is conditions where whole set, single set chromosome is deleted. It is considered under the haploidy conditions, or you can say it is conditions under monoploidy. The haploidy and monoploidy conditions is occur in plant. Majority it is occur in human, in animals also, but animals, if showing such a broad aberration, the animal unable to survive, because here the deletion of chromosomes, whole set of chromosome occur. This is not cope up by the human beings, but and other animals, but plant can easily tolerate, withstand these conditions and develop in such conditions. Such type of haploidy, polyploidy type of conditions observed in case of plants, majority in case of plants, because plants undergoes different type of experimental design, and many scientists perform experiment on this cases, haploidy and polyploidy cases. In polyploidy cases, suppose 4 set of chromosome and one additional chromosome is added, again one additional chromosome is added. This condition is considered under the polyploidy condition. Polyploidy is also occur in many polyploid condition, is autopolyploid, autotriploid, tetraploid, pentaploid, hexaploid, different conditions. Here wheat also growing in haploid condition, diploid, hexaploid conditions. This is basically this type of conditions is observed in the many plants, but not inside the animals, because animal doesn't withstand such type of conditions, especially in humans. According to 12 syllabus, the total aneuploidy and polyploidy is how they are classified and how they are grouped. It is given in NCERT in very short form. Here I am a person unable to explain about detail in NCERT, because NCERT mutation is not considered such a broad aspect. Here only a Turner syndrome and a Down and Klinefelter syndrome is given in your syllabus. So the only these three syndrome is necessary in 12 standards. So only regarding the definitions related to this is only given, but not given as such tetra, nullisomies and so on. Students, now, so what is the difference between chromosomal aberration and as chromosomal aberration, chromosomal disorder as well as Mendelian disorder? What is the basic difference between it? I think you may fully understand. This chromosomal disorder is also called as, it is also called as numerical changes in chromosome. It is also considered under the topic numerical changes in the chromosome. This is known by another name, numerical changes, a numerical aberration. Numerical aberration. Okay. Now, this is also known by another topic, another name. It is called heteroploidy. It is also called heteroploidy. Heteroploidy. So this is NU and polyploidy. Now, what is aneuploidy? I think you may fully understand about the aneuploidy and polyploidy conditions. One question is asked, what is a triploid condition? What is a tetraploid condition? This question is asked many times in your examinations. Also, many experimental design that put forward in euploidy, that is a part of NEET, but not a particle of, not a part of 12 standard of board examination point of view. What is auto polyploid, auto tetraploid? This type of question is asked in your examinations, students, in medical examination, but not in a board. It is given. Now, what is a Down syndrome? What is a Down syndrome? Down syndrome was first time observed by Langdon Down. Langdon Down, and in honor of his name, the disease is called as Down syndrome. This syndrome observed during 1866 by Langdon Down. This disease is the trisomy of, this is disease is the trisomy of 21 chromosome. 21 chromosome, because 21 chromosome, 21st chromosome is a autosome. It is called autosomal disorder. It is considered under the autosomal disorder. Here, in this case, one additional chromosome. Suppose human being having 23 pair chromosome. Suppose this is having 21st pair. 21st pair. Here, in 21st cases, the chromosome become 23. In 3 in number. Chromosome become 3 in number. This is called trisomy. Means one additional autosomal chromosomes is increases in case of Down syndrome, and due to increase a single number in the chromosome. Now, first here, due to increase in single number, not explain first here. Due to increase in single number, because it carry many gene, and if many type of gene enter inside the patient of Down syndrome, then the offspring, individual shows many abnormalities. Individual shows many abnormalities. Many abnormalities. What type of abnormality they shows? The first is furrowed tongue, broad palm, wavy also, wavy palm. You can say they form crease, means the palm is so broad and having many lining inside the palm. That observe in case of mouth open partially open mouth always in this case. Body short statured, and many other characters like a short statured body with a small head. That observe in this case small head, and many other symptoms you can note from the other with the help of reference book. Now, how these type of abnormalities found inside the chromosome? You know that, student, the cell division occur, and at the time of cell division, at metaphase stage, the chromosome arrange at a time of equatorial plates. Chromosome arrange on the equatorial plate. Here there is no special formation of spindle fiber. Chromosome not segregated easily. When they gets double, the some chromosome move one side, and another side remain vacant. Due to this, this type of condition is observed in case of cell division at the time of metaphase, anaphase and telophase. During telophase stage, at the time of separation of chromosome, the separation of chromosome is not occur properly. That's why this type of aberration found inside the chromosomal aberration. Students, the chromosomal aberration is entirely different from the Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder is stimulated by some chemical, some physical, biological way, like by different mutagens also. But in this case, this is aberration of chromosome. This is aberration of, this is a problem of the cell division. Sometimes it is also induced by some special physical factors such as mutagenic agents. But here most probabilities of this type of aberration found inside the chromosomal numeric number of chromosome. This is due to the abnormalities of failure of the cell divisions. Now, the next is a Klinefelter syndrome. In Klinefelter syndrome, this is a trisomy case. Here trisomy of Klinefelter syndrome. Here trisomy of one sex chromosome. The normal individuals, the normal persons have 44 plus XY in case of male. 44 plus XY in case of male normally, but in case of Klinefelter syndrome, this normal situation occur inside the autosome, but in sex chromosome one additional X chromosome gets increased. What happened? Here the person with male character must show the character of female. You can say the female like characters shown by male individual in the Klinefelter syndrome. This is a disorder of trisomy of sex chromosome. What is the character? What character? Suppose a male individual form but not develop secondary sexual character. Male individual form but not develop secondary sexual character. Not develop secondary sexual character. Here the character of feminism is dominant. Character of feminism is dominant in this case, in the Klinefelter syndrome. This is also a trisomy case, trisomy of 1X chromosome result you can see. This is a trisomy of 1X chromosome. 44 plus XXY. Now the another type of syndrome is a Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is the monosomy case. Turner syndrome is monosomy case. In this case, the 1X chromosome of the female gets deleted due to some chromosomal abnormalities. Due to some chromosomal abnormality, I already stated you that, students, by deletion of single chromosome, the person can be survive. But if whole set deleted, it cannot possible to survive. But the plant, if plants, individual is plants, then the person, the plants can be survive. Okay. Here, the next is a Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome. In Turner syndrome, the monosomy of sex chromosome occur. The monosomy of sex chromosome are found. It means that in a normal female, 44 plus XX chromosome are found, but in Turner patient, the chromosome 1X chromosome deleted. 1X chromosome is deleted. One chromosome is deleted. That's why the individual form will be female, but not shows the whole character of female. It means the secondary sexual character is lack. Secondary sexual character is lack. Beside this, they also show some male-like characters. Some male-like characters like development of beard, mustache, and many others character like male that show. And secondary characters, secondary sexual character, it means that not development of the character of female. The whole statures of the body of female not occupied by the Turner syndrome patient. This is the very critical case in case of females. But this type of individuals survive well because this is the abnormalities of single chromosome. Now this is a Turner syndrome. Beside this, many other syndromes that also reported, like Edwards syndrome, Patau syndrome, are also reported. You can with the help of side book you can get information about the Patau and Turner syndrome. Now Patau syndrome. This is a short information about Patau syndrome. Patau syndrome was discovered by Patau in 1960. Patau syndrome discovered by Patau in 1960, and on his honor of his name, this syndrome is also known as Patau syndrome. This is autosomal abnormalities of chromosome number 13. Autosomal abnormalities of chromosome number 13. And what is the symptoms? The symptoms of this here the mental deficiency, the Patau syndrome shows, patient shows the mental deficiency, you can say it is a mental retardedness. Deafness is also occur, deaf, the person of Patau syndrome is deaf, and sometimes majority cases the death occur usually at the time of birth. Death occur usually at the time of birth. It is found inside the Patau syndrome. This is abnormalities of trisomy of 13 chromosome. Trisomy of 13 chromosome. Chromosome number 13. If means at the position of 13th chromosome, chromosome number it become the 3 set. Now fourth one is Edward syndrome. Edward syndrome. Edward syndrome. Edward syndrome, it was discovered by Edward in 1960. In 1960, this the discovery of both Patau and Edward syndrome is same. This is a trisomy of 18 chromosome. Trisomy of 18 chromosome. Means 18th chromosome gets in 3 number. Already 2 numbers is present in the normal body cells, but it become 3 in the individuals due to trisomy of 18 chromosomes. It is a type of divisional abnormalities. Causes: malformation. What is a cause? What symptoms they shows? Malformation in many organs. Malformation. Many organs of the body is malformed. Malformation in the many body organs means they are not formed properly, as like the hand and legs and head and body parts. But here in this case the malformation occur inside the various part of the body, especially the mouth is small mouth, short statured. Small mouth is also responsible. In this case, in Edward syndrome, statured means sternum is also too short. You know that sternum, that are points where rib are joints. This is known as a sternum. The sternum is become too short, and about the 90% of the progeny offspring form just at the time at the time of birth. I means 90% of the individuals, 90% of offspring are formed at the time of birth. I think this is the almost last part of the chapter 5, principle of inheritance and variation, and this chapter takes about 12 to 13 bell to complete, and this is just so large and very important topics of biology. Students, I think if you want to go through the proper learn and revisions, you must take the help of a side book, because NCERT is not describe all topic properly in NCERT. Now in this class, that's enough. Thank you, students.